I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your eBay account, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Open the eBay app. Launch the eBay app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth process. Step 2. Tap on Sign In. On the home screen, look for the Sign In button and tap it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the email instructions. Check your email for a message from eBay with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Sign in with new password. Return to the eBay app and sign in using your new password. If successful, you should regain access to your account. Sometimes, the email might land in your spam folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. I hope this helps you unlock your account quickly.